3, 2, 1.
What Belgian artist dedicated his life to painting roses and other flowers and plants? The answer is A. Pierre-Joseph Ridout. What type of clothing is often associated with Middle Eastern countries? The answer is B. Dashiki. The Hexapoda subphylum includes mainly what type of animal? The answer is D. Insects. Dead organisms are the source of what for decomposers? The answer is D. Sustenance. What is the acid in vinegar? The answer is C. Acetic acid. What is the title of the national anthem of the Kingdom of Cambodia? The answer is B. Royal Kingdom. Which of these languages would you find spoken in Kenya? The answer is C. Swahili. Where could you expect to see a quail sleeping? The answer is B. Field. Which of the following sentences best explains what happens when puddles evaporate? The answer is C. The water changes from one form to another. Spores are generally produced through what type of reproduction? The answer is A. Sexual. Which is a physical property of an apple? The answer is A. What color it is. Who is the fastest miler in history? The answer is D. Nuruddin Morsali 3:41.79. What is the volume of a sphere with diameter 2 units? The answer is D. 4 cubic units. SpongeBob SquarePants' best friend is named? The answer is C. Sandy. What type of game is the traditional Vietnamese game called O and Quan? The answer is D. Board game. What is the name of the state where water exists as a gas, liquid, and solid at room temperature? The answer is D. Plasma. Robots can perform tasks that are dangerous for humans. What is the major limitation to the use of robots? The answer is B. The assembly process must remain exactly the same. What's the name for an atom that has gained or lost an electron? The answer is C. An ion. In rugby, what is the oval ball with the lace on top called? The answer is D. Rugby ball. What typically occurs between a sixth and a half of a minute? The answer is D, an earthquake. What does TS stand for in weather forecasts? The answer is C, temperature summary. What is the name of the ship in Titanic? The answer is D, the RMS Titanic. Who created the Harry Potter series? The answer is D, J.K. Rowling. What group of elements does sodium belong to? The answer is C, alkali metals. How do they classify tornadoes? The answer is B, wind speed. What moves nitrogen back and forth between the atmosphere and organisms? The answer is B, the nitrogen cycle. What is used to hit but never hurts? The answer is D, pillow. What is the Spanish word for green? The answer is A, ver. Light from further away may appear to be less bright than other closer sources, such as in which instance? The answer is B, the moon is brighter than stars. From the viewpoint of physical geography and ecology, the Ukrainian territories to the north of the Black Sea are known to contain what? The answer is B, steppes or plains. How many years ago did early amniotes diverge into two groups? The answer is C, 320 million years. Who was the first incumbent, one-term president not to be even nominated for another term although he wanted the office? The answer is C, Millard Fillmore. What was the first spell cast at the dueling match in the book Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets? The answer is C, Expelliarmus. Which of these is not a kitchen utensil? The answer is D, frying pan. Which of these is an American football team based in Miami? The answer is A, Miami Dolphins. What is the smallest country in the world by area? The answer is A, Vatican City. What occurs when groups from the same species stop mating because of something other than physical or geographic separation? The answer is C, sympatric speciation. Nucleic acids are polymers made of monomers called what? The answer is D, nucleotides. What affects an organism's acquired characteristics? The answer is C, its immediate surroundings. Which muscles allow your fingers to also make precise movements for actions? The answer is C, intrinsic muscles. Who composed Canon in D major? The answer is A, Johann Pachelbel. Digestion of polysaccharides and disaccharides in the small intestine produces glucose and other? The answer is A, monosaccharides. What unit of time equals 1 minute 60 seconds? The answer is A, hemiminute. What serves as a first responder to pathogenic threats that bypass natural physical and chemical barriers of the body? The answer is C, innate immune system. Which mountain range runs along the border of Mexico and the United States? The answer is B, Rockies. Overuse of which water resource tends to cause land to subside? The answer is B, aquifer water. Which one of these players became a U.S. citizen during the 2004 season? The answer is B, Manny Ramirez. Which river is known as the Thunderbolt? The answer is C, Mississippi. Which of the following actors has not portrayed the Frankenstein monster? The answer is B, Michael Landon. Which popular author and screenwriter is also widely known as a devoted Red Sox fan and has co-written a book entitled Faithful? Two diehard Boston Red Sox fans chronicle the